Welcome to our Nokia C3 tutorials. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to switch off your shutter sound. Firstly, start off by using your D-pad and scrolling up and selecting Camera. This is your camera's viewfinder. Please press Options. Now scroll down to and select Settings. Scroll to and select Camera Sounds, and then select Off. Your shutter tone is now off. Press Capture to take your picture. You'll notice that the shutter sound no longer appears. We have created lots more tutorials for your Nokia C3 mobile phone. Why don't you go and check some of those clips out now? We hope you enjoyed our tutorial. Many thanks.